I'm now at Nguyen Hue Walking Street. There's an event 50 years of the Vietnam Unification and also 327 years of celebration for the Saigon and the family. The Saigon 1698 to 2025. So let's explore. This is just very near the People's Committee, and the Wing Kong Center has well the Saigon Center over there. Today is Sunday night, around 9 p.m. but still lots of crowd. I see a Ben Tan market replica in the center. Many people are doing selfies. Right here. Check out performance in front. Very crowded now.
Để đáp lại tình cảm của quý khán giả thì các con có một lời cảm ơn nào đến
People are standing
1, 2, 3 nha.
on the stones.
1, 2, 3. Hy vọng là quý vị sẽ dành thêm những tình cảm nhiều hơn nữa cho.
Let's take a look at in front further. There are some more stuff, interesting things. It's good that the weather is good because these 2 days in the afternoon it's raining, but night time is dry. There's no raining. There's good thing. Let's have a look at this part. The children participants just finished their performance. Oh, this is an agriculture high-tech park. Children play the bubble game. There's some kind of product here. Sausages. And I think it's honey in front. Buy one get one free. Actually, I wanted to come here like 2 days ago, but there was a night market, so I focused on doing a video there instead. And then when I finished the video, it's already past 10:30 p.m. So this area is closed already. So today is the best timing to explore. Oh, yeah, vendors selling the what you call it, the kite. And at both sides of the Nguyen Hue Walking Street, there are restaurants, so you need not be worried. If you're hungry or thirsty, you can just walk to either side of the pedestrian street and then get a bite or order some drink. Lots of family today. And over on the left side is a special building. It's called the cafe apartment because the apartment is converted to many cafes selling coffee, tea, and sandwiches, and even some snack food. This area seems to be an area for people to take selfies. But right in front, I see a blue color with blue color stuff structure with words, white words on it. So let's have a little look. And there are people singing karaoke on the other side. There's a touch screen to play some games. Seems like it's just an area for people to rest. Oh, there's some more pink color buildings with the words Family Day Vietnam 28/6/28 is the day, and 6th of June to 28th of June is started this event, and it's ongoing until the 2nd of July, which is like 3 days later. Oh, it's a long walk. It's still anything to see here. Okay, on both sides there are some kind of photos of the children in Vietnam enjoying the horse carriage, and a little girl wearing the unicorn hat. There's an army boy, little soldier, and then the Ho Chi Minh City children participate in the parade. Oh. So in front we see the 3 children carrying the lantern during the Lantern Festival, and over here there's adults and children and tourists enjoying the atmosphere full of spring colors on Vietnam traditional Lunar New Year. I think the kids and family will love it because firstly it's free entry, secondly you can exercise here and walk. Happy family. About this disadvantaged couple living and working in Ho Chi Minh City having a group wedding in the hospital for child planning. Okay, this is interesting. Some kind of rehearsal. I just wish they have the live performance now, but I think for now it's good enough. But at least I get to see some performance because according to my research, they have lion dance, cultural sports from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. every single day. And so far I only see this, so we call lucky or unlucky, it's up to you guys to say. But I'm just impressed by the uniform and some of the performance here. Let's see where they do some more stuff. So it's called Ho Chi Minh City Joint Hands for Family Happiness and Children's Smile. This pink color structure. More of their rehearsal. I think tomorrow they're having a live performance. You have the time, I'll come earlier tomorrow. Because today and yesterday I was really busy with some other stuff, and then only this timing I can come, which is after 9 p.m. I think they have been practicing for a few months to a year. They are quite mobile and very agile. They are like 6 of them. Oh, they're swinging. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, subscribe to my channel, drop a like and your comment. Have you been to this festival or have you visited Saigon? Would you like to visit Saigon? And what's the thing you like about Saigon? I'd like to hear from your comments, and then share this video so that more people can have the chance to watch this video together. This festival is like once in a lifetime thing. It's not like every day, every month we have it. Once in a lifetime. Thanks very much. And this is the sidewalk. You can see it's very broad. There are 3 lanes, and they sell like street food. Oh, I think I'll just go forward and look at the screen what they are showing now. There's a little boy here. Hello. This road leads to the Pat Dang ferry terminal. During the Tet Festival, New Year's celebration and many stuff. Here the Nguyen Hue Walking Street and the Batang Ferry Terminal is always crowded. And I've been here many times in the past. And on crowded days, on crowded festival, it can be really hard to walk. You do not have a space to walk. You can hardly breathe. That's the truth. And many people bring the portable fans, but then it's still not enough to keep the heat away. And in front, there are foreigners as well who come here to enjoy the festival. Oh, there are more folk stuff here. So that's great in France for their performances. I wonder what's in ahead. Again, this is the costume changing area and the place for the participants to put their stuff. And some people bring their pets here. I always see the cute little pets that will never grow up, the white color one. As well as other colors, they're brown, they're black. Oh, I just spoke about the dogs, and here are some cute, supposedly cute bulldogs, but then sometimes they bite people to death, so just be careful. They're sort of like friendly and do not scare of people, judging from their actions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. The black color, normal color. And there's some special kind of decoration on their neck as well as the clothes. I think some people are scared because the bulldogs are over friendly and some people are taking the photos. Last but not least, I see some people wearing the traditional costume, so I decided to extend the video a little bit. This is like the traditional wayang. Oh, they're having performance now. That's good. I can extend the show. Wow, there are so many of them. I think 40 people. And more are queuing up now. Just amazing. Wow, that little head has a light, yellow and gold lights on it. Anyone who cannot sleep, watch this tonight can have a good night's sleep. Seriously. Wow. You can actually sit in the white color seats there. Alright guys, I will just end the video here because I think that's all the performance the area has to offer today. And then thanks everyone for watching this video. Thanks very much. I'd like to see you guys again in the next video, and please take care everyone. Have good health, happiness and money every single day. Yeah, so take care guys. See you next video. Bye bye.